Yeah. Pops, we just throwing the concoction together for marinade, just throwing it together.
Yeah.
You did? Okay, because that was my first time doing it.
Warning, don't try this at home.
These are big.
What are you? Hot.
I marinated it differently this time because I use less marinade than I normally do. I mean, brine because it's just a small chicken
Yeah.
instead of the turkey, so I cut it down. So I hope it's. No, I didn't put any salt on the chicken. Just seasoning.
Low sodium. Mm-hmm.
A stumbling. Smoke coming out of here, out of the front. Oh, I need the gloves. It's like 400 now, so
Oh, okay.
it's coming down.
In there, we getting there.
It's fully open, and it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be sealed in the back. So I don't know if I need to get my gasket replaced or what. I have to get another gasket. I don't know.
Smell good.
I think we're gonna be good. I think. Yeah, he's all ready.
Cooked to perfection.
She outside. She down there.
Okay, watch.